Picture a place where crisp white architecture meets turquoise water, where the Bahamian sun bounces off marble floors, and where a cocktail seems to appear in your hand before you even sit down. That is the vibe travelers walk into at SLS Baha Mar, a five-star hotel tucked into the sprawling Baha Mar resort complex at 1 Baha Mar Boulevard on Cable Beach in Nassau. Part of the SLS brand under Ennismore and Accor, this property has built a reputation as one of the trendier, more design-forward stays on New Providence Island. It is not adults only, but it definitely leans into a stylish, grown-up energy while still leaving room for families to enjoy the wider resort. Reviewers on Booking.com give it around an 8.0. TripAdvisor sits near 4.0 and Expedia lands close to 4.2, which tells us this is a solid, well-liked hotel with a few opinions worth digging into. So grab a virtual lounge chair because there is a lot to unpack here. The rooms at SLS Baha Mar are where the brand's playful, boutique hotel personality really comes through. The entry-level Superior King runs about 37 square meters and comes with a king bed, a work desk for anyone unlucky enough to be answering emails from paradise, a flat-screen TV, Wi-Fi, a minibar, and a rainfall shower that turns a rinse-off into a small ceremony. For families or friends traveling together, the Superior Double offers the same square footage but swaps in 2 double beds and sleeps up to 4, which is a nice option for keeping costs manageable without booking 2 separate rooms. Prices are dynamic, but sample rates on Expedia show the Superior King starting from around $528 a night for 2 adults in April 2026, taxes and fees included. That is not exactly pocket change, but it is roughly in line with the Cable Beach 5-star bracket. Step up a tier and you reach the Ocean View King, which runs 37 to 40 square meters and rewards guests with the kind of view that makes you forget your phone exists. Selected categories include a balcony so you can sip your morning coffee while watching the Caribbean shimmer. At the top of the ladder are the suites, including the 1-bedroom suite, which stretches from about 60 to 90 square meters depending on the category. These come with a separate living area, a king bedroom, and upgraded bathroom that in some cases includes a soaking tub, multiple flat-screen TVs, Wi-Fi, and a minibar. The design leans modern and clean, and guests on Booking.com have described the rooms as stylish, though a few noted that maintenance and housekeeping can be inconsistent, which is worth keeping in mind for the price point. When it comes to dining, SLS Baha Mar leans heavily into its signature restaurant brands, and the results are genuinely fun. Clio Mediterraneo Baha Mar brings Mediterranean flavors to the island, serving up small plates and shareable dishes that work well for date nights or group dinners. Filia Baha Mar handles the Italian side of the equation, focusing on handmade pasta, wood-fired pizzas, and the kind of atmosphere that makes you want to order one more glass of wine and stay another hour. Both venues have that curated SLS look, all warm lighting and stylish plating, so even a casual dinner feels like a small event. Hours are not consistently published on the official site, so guests are encouraged to check at the front desk or make reservations in advance. Multiple reviewers on Expedia and Booking.com mention that food and beverage prices are on the high side, so keep the wallet ready. For drinks and later-night energy, Monkey Bar is the go-to spot, serving cocktails, wine, and light bites in a lounge setting that leans social and playful. It is the kind of place that fits perfectly with the resort's overall trendy vibe, working well as either a pre-dinner stop or an after-hours hangout. Poolside, the Privilege Pool Day Club adds a second layer of food and drink service, offering light fare and cocktails in an adults-only setting from Thursday through Saturday, 11 in the morning to 6 in the evening. Beyond the SLS-branded venues, guests also have access to the wider Baha Mar complex, which houses dozens of additional restaurants ranging from casual grab-and-go options to celebrity chef fine dining. That means even a week-long stay would not exhaust the dining lineup, which is a big plus for foodies. The pools are one of the true highlights, and reviewers across every platform consistently praise them. The property offers outdoor pools that make the most of the Bahamian climate, and the star of the show is the Privilege Pool, an adults-only day club area that has become one of the most talked-about spots on the entire Baha Mar campus. It has that South Beach kind of energy, complete with DJs, cabanas, and a lively cocktail scene, and travelers on TripAdvisor mention it as a highlight of their stay. Loungers are plentiful, and cabana rentals are available for those who want a shadier, more private setup. The rest of the resort complex adds even more pools, so guests are never short on options for a swim. Then there is the beach itself, and this is where SLS Baha Mar really flexes its location. The resort sits directly on Cable Beach, one of the most famous stretches of sand in the Bahamas, with soft white sand and impossibly clear turquoise water just a short walk from the lobby. Sun loungers are set up along the shore for guest use, and the calm, protected water makes it a great spot for swimming, paddleboarding, kayaking, and other water activities offered through the resort. It is worth noting that Cable Beach itself is technically a public beach, so it can get busy, but the resort's setup keeps things comfortable for guests. Whether someone wants a lively day of splashing around or a quiet afternoon reading in the shade, the beach setup handles both. Beyond the pool and shoreline, SLS Baha Mar offers guests access to a huge range of activities through the Baha Mar complex. The fitness center handles the standard gym experience, with cardio equipment, weights, and space for stretching, so travelers can maintain their routines even while on holiday. Water sports along Cable Beach include jet skis, snorkeling excursions, and boat trips out to nearby keys, and the resort can help arrange charters and guided outings. Golf enthusiasts have access to the Royal Blue Golf Course, a Jack Nicklaus signature design that stretches across the Baha Mar property and offers ocean view holes that are worth the round even for casual players. Tennis and pickleball courts are also available for anyone looking to keep score under the sun. Cultural and educational activities round out the offerings nicely. Baha Mar houses ESPA, a flamingo sanctuary, and rotating art installations from Bahamian artists, giving guests a chance to learn something new between poolside naps. There is also the Baha Mar Casino, the largest in the Caribbean, which brings a different kind of nightlife energy for anyone feeling lucky. Live entertainment across the wider resort ranges from lounge acts to larger productions, so evenings tend to have something going on. For families and curious travelers, guided nature walks, cooking classes, and mixology sessions can often be arranged through the concierge, adding depth beyond just sun and sand. Wellness at SLS Baha Mar is handled largely through ESPA Baha Mar, the resort-wide spa that guests have full access to. This is one of the biggest and most respected spas in the Caribbean, offering a full menu of massages, facials, body treatments, and specialty therapies that use both international and locally inspired techniques. The facility includes saunas, steam rooms, cold plunge pools, and relaxation lounges, giving guests plenty of time to unwind before or after their treatment. Couples treatments are available for those celebrating anniversaries or honeymoons, and longer packages combine multiple services into half-day or full-day experiences. It is the kind of spa where the vibe alone is worth booking a treatment. Yoga and fitness classes complement the spa experience, with sessions often held either outdoors near the water or in dedicated studio spaces. Detox and wellness programs can be arranged through the spa concierge, blending nutrition guidance with movement and treatments, which suits guests who want a holistic reset. The fitness center itself is well equipped for those who prefer a more traditional workout, with modern machines and free weights. Between the beach walks, pool laps, and spa time, it is genuinely possible to leave this resort feeling healthier than when you arrived, provided you can resist the pull of the cocktail menu. Because SLS Baha Mar is not adults only, families are welcome, and the wider Baha Mar complex has plenty for kids to enjoy. Explorers Kids Club, run through the resort, offers supervised activities for younger children, including arts and crafts, games, and themed adventure days that let parents sneak away for a spa afternoon or a quiet lunch. The Kids Club is designed to be both fun and educational, with programs that often incorporate Bahamian culture and nature themes. There are also water play areas, family-friendly pools, and a full flamingo sanctuary that tends to be a huge hit with younger travelers. Beyond the Kids Club, the resort complex offers teen-friendly experiences too, including access to the arcade, bowling, and organized excursions like snorkeling tours suitable for older kids. Family suites and connecting room options make it easier to travel with children without feeling cramped. While SLS itself leans a bit more toward adult stylish energy, the surrounding Baha Mar amenities more than fill the gap for families wanting a full kids-friendly experience. It is a nice balance, letting parents enjoy the trendy vibe of SLS without sacrificing the fun for the little ones. Location is one of SLS Baha Mar's strongest selling points, and the nearby attractions make it easy to fill a week or more. Cable Beach itself is right at the doorstep, just 0.3 kilometers away, and Goodman's Bay Park is only about 3 kilometers down the road for anyone wanting a change of scenery. Ardestra Gardens and Wildlife Conservation Center sits roughly 6 kilometers away and is a favorite for animal lovers with its famous marching flamingos and lush gardens. Junkanoo Beach, about 7 kilometers off, gives a more local, lively beach experience with beach bars and Bahamian music. For culture, shopping, and city exploration, downtown Nassau and Bay Street are about 8 kilometers away, offering everything from duty-free jewelry stores to straw markets full of handmade Bahamian crafts. The Nassau Cruise Port is 8.5 kilometers away, so guests can easily plan a day trip to see the ships come in or catch a ferry to nearby islands like Paradise Island. Linden Pindling International Airport sits about 8 kilometers from the resort, making arrivals and departures pleasantly quick, usually just 15 to 20 minutes by taxi. This combination of beach, city, and airport proximity is genuinely hard to beat for the region. Taking a step back, SLS Baha Mar earns its stripes as a stylish, energetic, well-located luxury resort with real strengths and a few honest weaknesses. On the plus side, the design is fresh, the pools are outstanding, the beach access is prime, and the dining and nightlife seen both on and off the property are top tier. Guests on Booking.com, TripAdvisor, and Expedia consistently mention the beauty of the property, the fun of the privileged pool, and the trendy overall atmosphere. However, complaints about inconsistent service, occasionally slow check-ins, and high food and beverage prices come up regularly across all three platforms. The verdict is that SLS Baha Mar is a great choice for travelers who value style, atmosphere, and location, and who are willing to pay premium prices for a trendy Caribbean stay. It may be slightly less ideal for guests who prioritize flawless, understated service or who want an all-inclusive setup where the drinks bill does not sneak up. Setting expectations correctly is key, and most guests who go in knowing what SLS is about walk away happy. It is a hotel with genuine personality, and personality always comes with a few quirks. What really sets SLS Baha Mar apart is its combination of design-forward hospitality and access to the massive Baha Mar complex. Few Caribbean hotels can offer both a boutique-feeling stay and access to the largest casino in the region, an ESPA spa, a Jack Nicklaus golf course, dozens of restaurants, and a flamingo sanctuary all within walking distance. The privileged pool has become a destination in itself, drawing guests from other hotels within the complex and giving SLS a unique nightlife-adjacent identity. Signature dining at Clio and Filia adds a genuine culinary draw. Together, these elements make SLS more than just a hotel, it feels like a scene. For business travelers and event planners, SLS Baha Mar benefits from the extensive meeting and conference facilities within the wider Baha Mar complex. These spaces range from smaller boardrooms to large ballrooms suitable for weddings, corporate retreats, and large-scale events. The resort's location on Cable Beach makes it an appealing destination for incentive trips and destination weddings, blending business functionality with vacation appeal. On-site catering, event planning services, and audio-visual support are available, and the sheer size of the complex means there is flexibility for events of nearly any scale. Finally, guest experience highlights tend to center on the atmosphere and the standout moments that SLS Baha Mar delivers well. Repeat travelers frequently praise the energy of the privileged pool, the food and design of Filia and Clio, and the quality of the ESPA spa treatments. Many guests also mention friendly, helpful staff who go out of their way to arrange dinner reservations, cabana bookings, and excursions. The beach mornings, sunset cocktails at Monkey Bar, and late nights at the casino all come up regularly in reviews as memorable moments. When SLS Baha Mar is on its game, it delivers exactly the kind of stylish, energetic Caribbean escape that keeps guests coming back for more. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.